Before we continue, would you mind subscribing to this channel? We've been doing lots of work, engaging with lots of brands and bringing you the best of everything that's available in the market. We cannot otherwise without your support. We need your support to continue to engage with brands and bring the latest and greatest in tech. Additionally, why we ask for your support is because we specifically ask for discounts for our viewers, and there will all be exclusive discounts through MyNextBest. So all we ask is to continue to support the channel. This family needs to grow bigger, so we are stronger, better together. So we work with the brands to bring bigger and better discounts for you guys. Thank you so much if you've subscribed. Let's continue. Guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and in this video we've got this simple power bank, about 5 quid or 10 quid, I think, can't remember. But this is about 10,000 milliamp hours, rated capacity 5500 milliamp hours, and this is the model Y211. That's specifically the device, and as it says, it's a nice gift. And I thought it would probably be useful to share what we have here if you might be interested in gifting someone with a power bank or just buying something for yourself. This is the one gadget that you can buy. It's very cheap and it's very much of a daily driver for you, for anyone who might be interested in getting an extra energy supply for your devices, your smartphones and stuff like that. And in terms of the input voltage, it supports 3 amps of fast charging is supported. Output power is 15 watts to 22.5 watts. And it's been manufactured in China. That's the email. If you have any questions, reach out to them. So without any further ado, let's open the box and see what we have inside. Okay. So here's the power bank. It's nice and small. Here's your Type-C charger. It's a purple type connector, Type A, Type C. Nothing massive there. And there's your quick start guide or the user manual. This is the wireless charger, by the way. This will wirelessly charge your wireless devices, your phones and your earphones, as an example. And for this specific video, we've got our Galaxy Buds 3 case, which is a wireless charging device, which can hopefully take the charge from this specific item. And this is the user manual. It specifies the specifications that were there on the box and temperature notice, warnings, proper usage of the magnetic function, and of the like. So nothing massive there. 1 year of warranty is what is mentioned. Type-C charger. Let's keep the box away and let's get rid of everything else and get the power bank out of the box. So this is the power bank and it says BYGP. It's a pretty well-known brand in China and they manufacture batteries normally. And this is no exception. This is a battery that would be useful for charging your wireless devices. Before we actually charge a device, we have to quickly look at what's mentioned over here. It says Type-C input and Type-C output as well. So there's a few ports over here, Type-C and Type A, and just the 2 ports. There is a reading display, and so it will tell you how much power is shoved into this device or what's being extracted out via a wireless device or a wired device. This is your power button. It's pretty simple, slick, and says fast charging. And it also says protective film on the product surface for scratch prevention. Remove before use. I'm not sure which size one that is for the wireless charging. I suppose this is the one. It says fast charging. It's probably this one. Let's just quickly turn it on. Okay, so it may have been discharged. Oh, there's something come up. 7% charge. Brilliant. So let's peel this cover off. 6% left, that's your charging surface. And let's quickly put this guy on top to see if this gets charged. Not yet. Let's see if this really is the surface or not. Oh, let's just turn it around. Let's see if this guy might be the one that... no. That's odd. Oops, it's just turned off. Maybe we might have to charge this guy a little bit, and that might be the best way to see if this works. 5%, let's give it another chance. About 10,000 milliamp hours, that's the capacity. As you can see at the back, you've got some additional spec which should be visible. 10,000 and rated capacity 5,500 milliamp hours. That's the model, and there's certifications, UKCA, FCCE, and some recycling information. In terms of the charging, as you can tell, this device has a magnet on the other side and it can stick, as you can see. It's not as strong though. It does a pretty decent job of sticking. So you can of course stick to your MagSafe device, which might have a MagSafe case. That would work well. And of course this is the part that would charge your device. So once you'd have this guy turned on, just press one button and it will turn on. It's 9% at the moment. So just turn it around. I'll just keep it over here. And now I've got my Galaxy Buds 3 and it should start. It's just a bit about on the top. And if this works, yes it does. And at this point I'm going to turn this thing around. And I missed it again. Okay, so yeah, what happens basically is that on this side you see something in the center which signifies that it's sending out charge. Doesn't stick on here, doesn't like this surface. But on the top it's perfectly alright, it doesn't move anywhere, which means of course it'll be able to charge your devices. BYGP, that's the charger, that's the wireless charger, and that's pretty much it for this video. If you've got any questions or queries, please let us know. Like the video, share, and subscribe to MyNextBest. And as always guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care, cheers, bye.